Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've opened Alight Motion and created a project. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and 30 FPS so motion reads cleanly. Import the asset you'll animate and place it on the timeline, then enable transforms on that layer so keyframes appear. Once done, scrub to the start frame and set your first position, scale, or rotation keyframe. This initial keyframe anchors the motion. Make sure to name layers for quick selection as you build the tween sequence. Move the playhead to the target frame and add a second keyframe after changing the property you want to animate, position, scale, or rotation. Once you have two keyframes, open the tween or interpolation menu and choose linear, smooth, or custom curve so you control acceleration. Then adjust easing curve handles to shape motion. Pull handles outward for slower starts or toward keyframes for snappier moves. Once adjusted, play the segment to observe timing and make small timing nudges until the motion feels right. Now polish the tween by adding motion blur and subtle opacity fades to mask any snapping. These small touches make movement feel natural. Once happy, export using H.264 for video or GIF for short loops and confirm frame rate matches your project. If something goes wrong, jitter, unexpected jumps, or stuttering, inspect keyframe spacing and make sure anchor points are consistent across frames. Often a misaligned anchor causes erratic motion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.